Nephew Johnson, swing bike service.
Swing bike service, it's making noise, and since the race car's ready to go, we have to tune our bikes up.
That's what rallying's all about.
If I knew how to work on bikes. Oh yeah. Oh, the brakes. Hey, there we go. This thing is, oh man. It's supposed to spin and it's like rusty in there. Hey, what's happening?
Everything comes off.
I just don't know how. Everything comes off. Might have to get Lockwood to show us how to lube this. If Lockwood comes and I'm not here, we need to pull that like cover off and put grease inside there. Like WD's not going to help for long. It needs real grease. I'm ready for qualifying.
Hit the bike with qualifying.
Yeah, let's just do some qualifying.